So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing 2 new faucets. They're by Kohler, oil with bronze. Homeowner provided these widespread 8-inch widespread faucets, and they are the Kohler Elliston. And there's your model number right there. R72781-4D-2BZ. Anyways, so you can get a hold of Kohler and get your warranty going. It should be limited lifetime, so I would register that with them. Underneath here, so we have a nit and a pick with Kohler about their mounting system. It's just they need to get a little more creative here with the way they have their pop-up drain assembly. And we'll try and take a picture without actually spinning the camera over. It'll be kind of hard, but hopefully we can get you a picture and we can show you real close up here. So here's the problem that we have right here. So this is where the water's hooked up right here. A little T coming out of the spout. Hose goes up to the spout, and that's great. And then the braided lines go over to each of the valve stems, which one's sitting right. Let me see if I can get a picture of that. One's sitting right there. You can see it. Okay, so that hose goes from there over to here. Here's the problem. You've got the piece of tape right here. This is for the drain assembly right here. This long piece of tape comes down to the top of the drain, and I might be taking a picture, but it might not. And then here's where it mounts to the rod that comes through the top of the faucet. So you can see the rod's right here. And then this is the mounting nut. You can see right on the side here, there is almost zero clearance. And sometimes when you go to pull this up, it wants to hit right there. You can see it wants to see it's hitting. So it hits right there. And so it's not my design. I mean, that's where the rod comes through. I can't change that. This is where the clip goes. Can't change that either. At the bottom, you can see it's as low as we can get it mounted right here. You can see that's in. Sorry if it's getting fuzzy right here, but that's as low as we can take the rod without running out of room to attach up here. So we're stuck. There's no adjustment to it. And just, another quick picture right here. You can see it just sits. That clip just sits right underneath that mounting nut, and so if it hangs from up top, I mean, I can push it up and down here, but I'm holding it over. If it hits right there, right like that, I can't do anything about that. So that's that. Anyways, but I'm going on and on about it. I don't like that. There should be zero room for error with these mounting systems. So if you do have a trouble with it, it's not an installation error, it's a design problem. We don't like that. But anyway, so everything in here is brand new. I mean, the existing drain assembly, that's existing to the home. So Schedule 40 P-trap, that's theirs. But brand new tailpiece here, drain came with the faucet, brand new. We did bring out some new braided stainless steel supplies, or 3/8 by half by 20-inch fluid masters. So it's all tied in. We run spell check, run water down both sides, no leaking, no runs, no errors. Outside of that, this installation is done. So is that one.